Hey guys, how are you doing? I know it's been a year since the last time I made that video about sunglasses, which, I still love those. The Jacques Marie Maj. Well, anyway, this video though, I'm not gonna talk about sunglasses or eyeglasses. I'm gonna talk about sneakers. As, if you know me personally, I love sneakers and, you know, if there's like a new pair, I'm always up for it if I like it. One of my favorite Nikes. I only rock Nikes, by the way. I mean, I love Adidas, but I only rock Nikes. One of my favorite pairs that I've been collecting ever since are the Nike Air Max 90. So this year, the Nike Air Max Bacon came out just in time for Air Max Day, if you didn't know that. So the Air Max Bacon colorway is one of the most sought after Air Max ever. It actually came out 2004. It was a collaboration with Nike and Dave's Quality Meat. It's not a meat shop, it's a sneaker shop in New York City, created by David Ortiz. So the Bacon, which I have with me, let me unbox this for you. It's still very popular. After 17 years, people are still buying it, and this is how it looks like. The colorway from 2004 up until the present, Nike did the same. Colorway, suede on the mudguard, leather on the top. As you can see, red leather with a pink swoosh. So this is a sought after Nike Air Max colorway, the Air Max 90 Bacon. The Air Max 90 for me personally are the most comfortable Air Max there is. I also love the Air Max 97, but for some reason I just love the Air Max 90s. So these are the Nike Air Max Bacon colorway, not the food. It also comes in two shoelaces, which is the red and the pink. Comes with the shoes are the light brown. Let me get the other pair just for you to see. Right here. It's a beautiful colorway, one of my favorites. And like what I said, I've been rocking the Air Max 90 for a long time. And if you know me, I have probably 5, 6, 7, 8 colors. Which came out last year. The new colorways came out last year, and some of them were actually revived, from 2014. The infrareds came out again. But yeah, these are the Nike Air Max Bacon, which came out this year. From its originally it was, like what I said, originally it was released 2004. So, just in case, I have an extra pair. I know these are so hard to get. I have a size 8 for men's. I have it actually with me here. So if you want it, please let me know. Hit me up. I'm gonna sell it, at a low price, but not retail. And then also, come June 2nd, I personally customize a Nike Air Max 90, which is coming out June 2nd. Colorway is green and honey. That's coming out June 2nd, and I'm so excited. I customize it myself with Nike, and this is how it looks like right here. It's available in all sizes. So if you're interested, please let me know, because these are limited edition, special edition, limited edition, whatever you want to call it. Air Max 90, I rock with them. I rock Nikes only. So till the next video, I'm gonna unbox this one as well. I'll see you next time. Bye.